In this lecture, we're going to look at a feature called type juggling. From time to time, you may hear this feature referred to as type coercion. They mean the same thing. So, what is type juggling, and why should you care about it? There are specific situations where PHP attempts to change the data type of your values without your explicit permission. Even if you're not performing typecasting, PHP may perform typecasting automatically. This behavior is known as type juggling. Believe it or not, we've experienced type juggling before. In the resource section of this course, I provide a link to the echo keyword documentation page. Under the description section, there's a code example of the echo keyword. I didn't mention this before, but you can wrap the value with a pair of parentheses. However, these characters are completely optional. Most developers prefer to skip them. The most important part of this example is the data type of the value. Looking closely, the value after the echo keyword should be a string. Isn't that strange? We've been able to pass in other values, such as integers and floats. So, why does PHP state we must pass in a string? Do you remember the discussion we had on data types? PHP is a dynamically typed language, which is considered to be beginner-friendly. One of the reasons is because of type juggling. If we pass in a value with the wrong data type, PHP attempts to rectify the situation on our behalf by typecasting the value. In this case, non-strings are typecasted into strings. Let's look at an example by heading over to our project. I'm going to remove all the code except the opening PHP tag. Next, I'm going to echo a random number. Despite echoing an integer, the preview displays the number perfectly without a problem. Once again, PHP is automatically typecasting the value, which is known as type juggling or type coercion. It's the same as writing echo string. At times, this feature can feel convenient. It means less code to write. On the other hand, it can cause unexpected results in your codebase. Throughout the course, I'll be sure to point out when type juggling can be a nuisance. For now, just be aware of this feature when working with data. In the next lecture, let's shift our focus to operators.